Hi guys and welcome to Zambales. If you're looking for white beaches and beautiful waters, I highly recommend visiting this island. This is a Capones Island and this is located in San Antonio, Zambales. First dose, 350 pesos per person. Siyempre, may enjoy mo na yung trip dito sa Capones Island. Of course, pwede mo ring bisitahin pala yung Camara Island. Malapit lang din dito. And kasama na yun sa 350 pesos per person. Siyempre, you also need to enjoy the fresh water and of course, napaka-instagrammable talaga nitong taste na to and napaka-perfect for a soul searching. Grabe, sobrang stunning ng color ng water nila dito, even the rock formation. Sobrang ganda. Talagang akala mo talaga pumunta ka ng Boracay, mga B or Palawan. Dahil sobrang ganda talaga ng mga tubig dito and syempre hindi magpapatalo yung kanilang sand dito dahil white sand sila dito mga B. So kung naghahanap kayo